This is part 4 of chapter 8, Apples or Indians, of Jared Diamond's book, Guns, Germs, and Steel. We finished this part in chapter 3, and we are here for part 4. For part 3, we finished this, and part 4, we're starting here. One of the central facts of human history is the early importance of the part of Southwest Asia known as the Fertile Crescent, because of the crescent-like shape of its uplands on map. See figure 8.1. Well, we're going to see it later. That area appears to have been the earliest site for a whole string of developments, including cities, writings, empires, and what we term, for better or worse, civilization. All those developments sprang, in turn, from the dense human population, stored food surpluses, and feeding of non-farming specialists made possible by the rise of food production in the form of crop cultivation and animal husbandry. Food production was the first of those major innovations to appear in the Fertile Crescent. Hence, any attempt to understand the origins of the modern world must come to grips with the question why the Fertile Crescent's domesticated plants and animals gave it such a potent head start. Fortunately, the Fertile Crescent is by far the most intensively studied and best understood part of the globe as regards the rise of agriculture. For most crops domesticated in or near the Fertile Crescent, the wild plant ancestor has been identified. Its close relationship to crop has been proved by genetic and chromosome studies. Its wide geographic range is known, its changes under domestication have been identified, and are often understood at the level of single genes. Those changes can be observed in successive layers of archaeological record, and the approximate place and time of domestication are known. I don't deny that other areas, notably China, also had advantages as early sites of domestication, but those advantages and the resulting development of crops can be specified in much more detail for the Fertile Crescent. Alright, so coming back to here, because this is going to be all for the part 4 video, because it was a crescent-like shape. So this is the crescent-like shape and the map that indicates us for the following of these paragraphs. This will be continued in part 5.